Entering and working in a confined space environment has been and will continue to be potentially hazardous, and it is imperative that when working in such conditions you receive the highest levels possible of safety supervision and support. ESS Safeforce is the UK's market leader in the supply of equipment, services and training for those working in confined spaces and hazardous areas. Our understanding of such environments and the challenges they put on those working in them arguably makes us the most experienced in the UK. Whilst working in confined spaces on this project, you will be supported by the Physics Monitoring System, the very latest and most innovative monitoring system in the safety industry, operated and supported by ESS Safeforce and Physics operators. Our fully trained operators are confined space safety professionals. This means you receive the highest possible levels of supervision and support the industry can offer. ESS Safeforce Physics confined space system provides monitoring for permanent gas detection, two-way communication, hazard alarm alert, CCTV monitoring, and access control. If you are required to work in or enter into a confined space, your site badge will be programmed for the Physics system. Using this site badge when you are entering or exiting any confined space covered by the Physics system will notify the control center operative of your movements. It is imperative that you wear this badge at all times. The access system works on a red light, green light system. Once you have swiped your card and have the correct authorization, the green light will indicate that you are cleared to enter. If the red light remains on, do not enter. Contact the control center staff for advice. The control center staff will monitor your safety during your time in the confined space. Monitoring and alarm equipment such as cameras, gas detection, siren and beacons are positioned inside and outside of the work area, as well as access units monitoring your entry and exit of each entry point. These take up very limited space so as not to affect your work procedures. They are absolutely reliable and provide wireless monitoring 24/7 to ensure your safety and well-being is monitored. The permanent gas detection system is constantly measuring atmosphere in the work area. By using an external unit, the air is analyzed for any changes in the permitted levels. The results are then collected and the data sent to the control center, where it is analyzed and recorded. Should the levels of any gases move out of the permitted range, then the alarm will be sounded. The camera system, which monitors all aspects of the workplace, is of an advanced design and robust in construction. It automatically switches between day and night vision, enabling it to work in unlit confined spaces. Additionally, there is a push-to-talk communication system that is positioned outside and inside the confined space. So if you need assistance or information, push the button once and you can speak to the operator in the control center and at the same time be seen by the camera system. Antennas positioned at strategic points of the plant provide a reliable wireless link and data transmission to the control center. The incoming data of all the monitoring components is then evaluated and recorded in the mobile control center using software specially developed by Physics. ESS Safeforce safety-trained monitoring operators are responsible for the supervision and follow-up of the incoming data and your safety. In order to provide the highest levels of attention, the control room staff will rotate regularly with other colleagues working as safety observers outside the plant, so you will still have regular face-to-face contact with safety operators. All ESS Safeforce monitoring staff stay in continual contact with each other using a specific radio frequency separate to the rest of the plant operations. In the event of an emergency, they can immediately take any action required. In the unlikely event that a hazardous situation occurs or the site or plant needs to be evacuated, Audible alarms and beacons will be activated either automatically by the system or manually by the control center staff. If this is the case, make your way to your designated muster point, making sure that you swipe out of the confined space as you evacuate. This will automatically log you out and inform control staff that you have left your work area safely. ESS Safeforce are committed to ensuring that you and your area are monitored constantly to protect you from risks and hazards associated with confined space work. This commitment will allow you the peace of mind to perform your daily work in a safe and secure manner.
I think for all contractors the most important thing is that they can get home safe after work. And with this system, the benefit of it is that we can keep an eye on what's going on inside, and we can watch over their safety inside.
The badging in system is relatively easy. We'll work off the site pass, red light no, green light go, and they can then enter the confined space.